you need to control your own audience, and capturing emails and capturing SMS is a way to capture these audiences that no matter what happens, you can continue to communicate with these people along the way. Okay, so I have another point over here, John, that you and I have been talking about quite a bit recently, which is this one right here, obsessing over email and SMS capturing, obsessing over it. Why do I use the word obsess in this particular example? Because if you are not in control of your audience, you are always under the control of these platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or whatever. You need to control your own audience, and capturing emails and capturing SMS is a way to capture these audiences that no matter what happens, you can continue to communicate with these people along the way. Very, very important for you guys to have this. ManyChat is my go-to platform. It's not the only one. It is my go-to platform in which I can capture all of this at the same time. You might have not heard about this, but WhatsApp integration, it's coming with ManyChat. So we're going to have the ability to communicate to people to WhatsApp, for those of you guys in the international market, to Instagram direct messaging, to Facebook Messenger, to text message, to email, all from within the same one single platform, which is called ManyChat. So something for you guys to keep in mind, and why I would say you go all in the subject of ManyChat ASAP. But capture these identities, because if you have them, you control your messages and you can blast them however you like. You can communicate to them as many times as you want, and you can just provide value and send promotions. Provide value and send promotions. And I can tell you, my number one source of sales for Black Friday and Cyber Monday is going to be my existing text message list and my existing email list. That's how I'm going to get the bulk of the people coming into our world on that particular day and buying as many things as possible from us during the Black Friday. By the way, I think that if you go through my link, this one, you can set up your account and you can get to a pro account, and that way ManyChat knows that I'm sending them a lot of love. I don't know if this is working, John. I think it is. Is it?
Yes, ManuelSuarez.com
/ManyChat. All right?
Yes.
You guys can go for that link and let them know that you're all in with me on this particular platform. All right, so obsessing over SMS and email capture, and ManyChat does present the opportunity for you guys to be able to get that done. All right, so last thing that we'll mention, last strategy to cover is lookalike from purchasers. Lookalikes from people coming into the holiday funnel. Lookalikes from people that are engaged with you already. What can you say about that, John, for top of the funnel, bringing people in?
Yes, I really like the strategy for using the lookalike as well, especially when you are combining it with your lead generation holiday funnel and the dynamic audience holiday funnel. Especially the area with ManyChat dynamic lookalikes. And the way it works is ManyChat creates a lookalike audience out of the filter you selected. For example, the filter is everyone that joined the holiday funnel. ManyChat then will send that data of lookalike audience to your ads manager, thus feeding qualified audience to your Facebook ads. Thus also would get you better results at a cheaper cost moving forward. So lookalike audience is a match at least of 6 interests from their source. So some of them does not know your brand yet, but you can put them through the top of the funnel to warm them up, and then put them through the lead generation funnel or your conversion funnel afterwards. Those are your area that you can grow your buckets of audiences.
It's very powerful and it's very simple to get done. So you can create lookalike of audiences inside ManyChat or inside the Business Manager. So you can go to the Business Manager on Facebook and go to the section called Audiences, which is in the drop-down menu. And in there, you can look at any audiences that you've created, which are custom audiences. For example, video watchers or website visitors or purchasers or your top 25%, more people that spend the most time on your website. And you can click on that checkbox and then select Create a Lookalike Audience. And you can build an audience that looks like them. They have 6 common characteristics to people that are on that particular audience, and then you can use that as a top of the funnel audience to bring them into your holiday funnel or to bring them into your content world so you can let them know how awesome your products, your services, and your content is overall. So that's something that we can actually get that done quite easily. If you go to ManyChat and you go to ads, you can also create a lookalike audiences of people that are your subscribers on ManyChat. Your people that are doing a mini course, your people that are coming into the holiday funnel. All those people, you can create a lookalike audience, and that's how you bring more people into this funnel, and you rinse and repeat this thing over and over again. And you can get started with that audience building process right now, so you can have enough people on your holiday funnel by the end of this particular 6-7 week stretch, and you can be ready to promote the heck out of your products and offers on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. All right, I think we covered it all, John. What do you think?
Yes, I think we've covered it all. The rest is for everyone to start implementing, researching, and learning as well.
Very good, John. So thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you very much. We're going to keep on working and pushing forward. We'll come back and give them an update in a couple of months and see how we did.